Margaret Smith, l-anzjana li sbieħ is-sibt li għadda spiċċat mingħajr saqaf fuq rasa wara li ġarfet il-binja li kienet qed tgħix fiha fil-Mellieħa għadha qed tistenna kwalunkwe forma ta' għajnuna biex terġa' tikseb ħajjitha lura. U biss grazzi għal ħabib tal-familja l-inserta jinsab imsiefer li għalmenu għandha post temporanju fejn toqgħod. Kliem Lindsay, bint Margaret, li ma' Net News spjegat ġara dakinhar tal-inċident filwaqt li tagħmel appell biex omma terġa' tkompli tgħix ħajja normali.
We just need my mum's life to be resettled back here. It is heartbreaking that this has happened. I know this is not the first incident. We are saddened and devastated, and we just want to get her life rebuilt back here in Mellieħa, where she loves.
Lindsay spjegat kif iju bina ħelsuha għax telqu mid-dar nofsija qabel, kieku ma ħarġux f'dak il-ħin kienu jispiċċaw jinqabdu fil-parti li ġarfet u ma kienu laħqu telgħu fuq l-ajruplan fit-tmiem vaganza biex jaraw lill-anzjana. Hemm issejħu tniżlu mill-ajruplan minħabba li seħ dan il-każ. Min-naħa l-oħra omma qamet fil-ħin għax ħasset trab u fraq jaqgħu mis-saqaf meta beda d-deżiż.
My mother was asleep in her bed and she woke up to rubble falling on top of her. My son and myself had left at 5:25 to go to the airport. We've been here visiting her on holiday for a week, so we were due to return to the UK. And so we were alerted to come off the plane because my mother's house had collapsed.
Appena qamet, Margaret sabet id-dar imġarfa għal kollox bis-sodda fejn kienet rieqda spiċċat nofsam dendla l-barra. Binta Lindsay qalet li l-fatt li omma għadha ħajja u miraklu.
Yeah, it's a literal miracle. I really believe that God saved us. I believe that his angels protected her. Literally, if myself and my son had been there for 30 minutes longer, we'd have been in the front of the house packing stuff up or in the lift leaving, and we would be dead. So I'm just grateful that we're alive.
Iżdissa l-problema ddur lejn il-futur ta' Margaret li issa tilfet kull ma kellha fosthom anke l-affarijiet personali u ta' identifikazzjoni. Għaldaqstant Lindsay marret titlob l-għajnuna mill-Kummissjoni Għolja Ingliża. Minflok kienet marfa li b'xi mod trid issib il-passaport ta' omma li kif spjegatilna spiċċa totalment mirdum taħt il-fdalijiet. Iżda offrew l-għajnuna finanzjarja u aċċess għall-internet biex nizzel il-formoli li jessaċ m'għandi bżonn.
Unfortunately, the British High Commission have been incredibly unhelpful. I had a conversation with them this morning, 2 conversations in fact. One of their staff suggested that I get somebody to look through the rubble for the things that we need. And yeah, they told me that they don't help in any way with that sort of stuff. They told me that we don't provide finance for that, and I don't need their money. That's not what I'm after. But I'm after a little bit of support in terms of, getting around. Is there someone that can go and, do that sort of stuff to expedite it, get it done quicker? And they told me they can signpost me on, or they can give me access to the internet in their office. And I said, well, I don't need that.
Lanqas mill-Gvern Malti ma sabet għajnuna kif ċemplet lill-Ministeru ta' Michael Farrugia responsabbli mill-intern iżda baqa' ħadd ma kelli malura.
I've tried to call Michael Farrugia's office. I've heard nothing as of yet. I've left a number of messages and I will still try and contact him throughout the day, but I've heard nothing back from them. So we will see.
Minnaħa l-oħra, Lindsay kellha kliem qawwi ta' tifħir u ringrazzjament għall-Pulizija, il-membri tal-Protezzjoni Ċivili u l-paramediċi li ħadu sehem fl-operazzjoni u baqgħu ma' omma.
The police were very helpful on the day. The fire brigade, we can't thank them enough for getting my mother out safely. But we really need contact with someone locally in government or something to, help support us in trying to get my mother's life rebuilt.
Għaldaqstant l-appell tagħna ma' dak ta' Lindsay biex fejn hu possibbli din l-anzjana tingħata l-għajnuna meħtieġa bit-tama li terġa' tikseb ħajjitha lura mill-aktar fis possibbli.